Today I will make chocolate raspberry brownie. For this brownie we need all-purpose flour, sugar, eggs, dark cooking chocolate, raspberry, I use frozen raspberry, butter, cornstarch, milk powder, and cocoa powder. Melt the butter and chocolate together in the microwave or place over a saucepan of simmering water. And you set aside. Then you add eggs and sugar and you mix this with the high speed about 5 minutes. Sieve the flour, milk powder, cocoa powder, and cornstarch into the eggs mixture. Then you mix this until well combined. Add the butter mixture into the eggs mixture and you mix well. Add half of the frozen raspberry and you mix this, but don't overmix. If you use the baking pan like mine, you have to grease with the oil first. But you can use also 20 by 20 centimeter square baking pan for this brownies, and you put the butter into the baking pan. Sprinkle the brownie with the half of the frozen raspberry. Preheat your oven 180 degrees Celsius and you bake this for 25 until 30 minutes, depend on your oven. You see this? Really nice. Can you imagine the combination taste between raspberry and chocolate? Taste will be so good, trust me. I can't wait to taste this. If you love to eat chocolate like me, you have to try this recipe. Because this brownie recipe is my favorite and I always use this recipe for my family and we love this. Tastes so good. Really good. My raspberry a little bit sour and mixed with the dark chocolate. Whoa, heaven. I love this very much. You have to try this, trust me. This is really good. If you have fresh raspberry, you better use fresh raspberry. The taste will be better. Because I usually like to use a fresh fruit, but raspberry is quite difficult to find here. Thank you for watching. Stay safe everybody. See you for the next recipe. Take care. Bye.